So guys, I'm gonna be doing like, have a little bit of fun, do like front wheel drive slides. I'm not really gonna call it drifting because it's not really drifting, but the way the rear end will be sliding is gonna be like kind of similar, but it's not. But I don't know. For this try, I'm just gonna do this front facing camera, but I'm gonna try to do a setup to where I can do the outside while I'm doing on turn and all that in the future video. So ain't the cars on the road, so let's try this. Pavement's wet, that's how I'm able to do this too. So I'm gonna do it on this one too. This is just something a little different, so if you guys like this stuff, I'll sit there and do more of it. Just try to give you guys different content. And while I'm doing it, I'm pulling up the e-brake and then sitting there turning while still pressing on the gas.